For those of you who have been wanting a ranch 3-sided brick on an acre, this is the home for you. 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, so many modern finishes you are going to absolutely love. A covered back porch. It's just gorgeous out here in this quiet Ivy Walk subdivision in McDonough, Georgia. Come on in and let's see this home. We are in this spacious entryway of this home. It has the tray ceiling, beautiful modern light fixture. And right here to my left, we have the office space / bedroom number 1. As you can see in this home, when you have a lot of space, you have a lot of versatility. This is one of those rooms that you can make an office, a bedroom, because you have a walk-in closet. And this door leads out into the other hallway, but we're gonna come this way into the formal dining room. As you can see, a lot of light coming in that I absolutely love. You also have a tray ceiling in here, and the ceilings are also really high, so it just creates more space. So let's come into this open concept living area. We're gonna start in this living room. As you can see, you have the farmhouse light fixture. It's so big. And then you also have this modern fireplace. So it's a good mix of farmhouse and modern in this home. So right next to the living room, you gotta have this little sitting area. You can make it whatever you wanna make it, but I absolutely love it. Like I said, when you have that space, you have that versatility. Right through these doors, you have a covered patio, and you also have an ample backyard. So, we're gonna go on this side of the house before we come back on the kitchen side, because I think y'all are gonna love the kitchen. But right here, this was that office space that we came from, and then we have bedroom number 2. You're gonna like the spacious, airy feel of these bedrooms, not tight at all. We pass the linen closet and a full bathroom before coming to bedroom number 3. And again, I always like to come into the room so you can get a feel of the size. So now let's head to that kitchen. You have your Calacatta countertops, you have a soft close cabinets, and you have stainless steel Samsung appliances. One of my favorite things though is this farm sink. You also have a pantry right here. And then when you come from the dining space, you have this little nook right here. It's so cute. And you can stage it however you want. So we're gonna head to the primary suite. Tray ceiling, recessed lighting, lots of light coming in through this big window. It's just a really cozy primary bedroom. Now let's see this ensuite. When you first come in, you have this very large closet. Already has some custom shelving in here. Now let's take a look right here. We have our dual vanity. You have your standalone tub, but I think what really steals the show is this gigantic shower. You've got 2 shower heads, and this glass door is absolutely gorgeous. Very modern and cozy, and then you have your water closet right here. So, through this door, you have your side entry garage, and then you have a half bath right here, and your laundry room right there before we head upstairs. As you come upstairs, to the right, you have another full bathroom and bedroom number 5. Really unique space. I could see this being an office, but it's really nice in here. And then finally, we are in bedroom number 6. Now again, the versatility of this home, you could make this an entertainment space, a playroom, whatever you need. This home is in a great location because you are near schools, shopping, and dining. This community also only has a $200 annual HOA fee. If you're interested in this home, give me a call. We can work out an amazing deal for you. I'll see you at the next home.